everybody, we are back for another video of Wolf Slayer, but which actually Ryan SS. But today we will be doing a video. We will be doing a video about actually nothing. I'm just wanting you to watch the other videos I'm doing. I know we haven't had any very least uploads, but it's because that, tired, like school, and homework. I really want to do videos, just I had homework to do, I had school, I had other stuff to attend to, I have to help my grandpa, my dad's brother, with his fence for 25 hours. Legit. Not legit, I'm just being sarcastic, but I had to do it for a day, and then I had to go many other places. And I forgot about YouTube. I forgot my YouTube channel. Then I realized, oh crap, I'm going to the beach house. I should make a video of this. I'm not at the beach house. I'm not at my cottage yet. It's just, we're going to soon. And so, yeah. This is just the part one. Tomorrow, you better watch the next video. I will be doing a fishing video at a dock with my fishing rod, so I will be there. I don't know, actually. It's like 6 hours to get there. Jesus. Oh, it's crazy. Please watch the other videos, and I would love it if we could get at least 5 likes on that video. And on that day, it would make my day if I could get, I forgot how much subscribers I have, but it would be really great if you could just pop that little subscribe button and just smash it. I heard YouTubers say that, so I don't know. Also, check it out. Get these types of Rick and Morty wallets. They are awesome, and they are incredible. I love Rick and Morty. If you like Rick and Morty, sub and like to this channel. Well, you don't have to if you want to, but I'm not looking for famous. I'm not looking for fame. I'm just looking forward to put a smile on people's faces and, make people happy. Make their day. But I can't, apparently, because I have the disability to make anybody do that. I try to, but I try to make people day. Try to be funny, and yeah. I'm away, with my friends at recess. I'm trying to make their day, be happy, and be funny, all that. But they don't care. So, I've tried my hardest. So I can't really. So I just decided to, make a YouTube channel and make people laugh, but I'm not into the laughter yet. So it would make my day if at least tomorrow we would be able to, get about not 12, 6 subscribers at least. So, see you at my cottage in exactly 12 hours.